Okay, we got the fuel pump straightened out up here. Got the new hose on, but then I noticed back here we had a leak. Get back here where you can see it a little better. So the return line above the fuel tank is leaking. So I'm gonna crawl under there and see if I can't figure out if I can replace it under the truck or if I'm gonna have to pull it over the pit. So let's get the light back here and we'll see what we can do there. So, but anyways, it's running really good. I can crank it up for you guys real quick. Let's see. It just busts right off. So, but there you can see it's dripping. So that ain't no good. So we'll have to fix that real quick. So let's let that drip for a minute. We'll take this floor mat. Get something I can lay on and not get covered in gasoline. So we're getting closer. We're about ready to drive this thing. And if I get this done tonight, I'm gonna drive it home. I'll leave this Dodge here and I'll drive this pickup home. So let's see. Yeah, it's done dripping. So we'll go like that. Might as well get the strap unstrapped, because either way I'm gonna unload it today off this trailer. So let's get this unstrapped, unloaded. Well, not unloaded, but unstrapped, and we'll check out and see if that fuel line's corroded. If it is, we'll try to replace it if we can get our hands up in there. So, okay, let's keep going. Okay, I can't get the fuel line without dropping the tank a little bit. So what we're gonna try to do is pull it forward a little bit, see what happens. Okay, we pulled her forward just a hair. Now we can maybe get the winch unlatched, and maybe we can get her off the trailer. I don't know. We'll have to see. Oh, I hit my funny bone. I don't know why they call it a funny bone. Never too funny when you hit it. Oh, it hurts. Okay. There's that. Now we will take the ramps out, open the door, and back her on up. So let's get that done, and we'll get it moved over the pit. Pulled that pickup forward some. So open the door, back her off real quick. Here we go. Let's get this door open, pull over the pit, see if we can't fix this return line real quick. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Trying to do this without letting all the heat out of the shop. Clutch ain't too good. Well, and the brakes might be sticking just a little bit. Okay, it looks like we're in line. Let's keep going. Keep turning it off because I don't want to spill fuel everywhere. Okay, I need to go to the passenger side just a little bit. Okay, here we go. I think we're far enough over it we can get down here and see what in the world's going on. So, right in there is leaking gas like crazy. So we will get a jack or a board and go across here, get a jack, come up, hold the tank up, and slowly ease it down. That's what we'll have to do. Get the impact and run these nuts down. It shouldn't be too hard. So we'll do that real quick and see how we can do this. But oh, that exhaust is nice and warm. There might be rust built up on the flywheel, I don't know. It shuddered just a little bit. A little bit of antifreeze dripped on me from somewhere. So we'll have to check that out. So disc brakes on the front. Wow. I have to pull the wheels off and check them out and see what's good and what's not. Boy, that's sure nice and warm. So let's get our tools over here and we'll see if we can't fix that real quick. Okay, here's my setup. Got one of my trailer ramps and the jack. Okay, here we go. Now we'll go get the impact. It looks like a 9/16. Probably need a wrench too. So impact 9/16 and wrench. And we'll see if we can't get this fixed. Okay, I got a 9/16. Let's see if I was right. Yep, I was right. But a lot of crud's falling on my face. Okay. Well, I've had enough of this. The line that we're going after is right here. That's the line. And you can just see it's just trash. So, and it goes straight down. I don't know if you can see right there, but in between that crack is this one right here, straight above my middle finger, right there. So, we'll see if we can't get it to come down just a little bit more, and then we can go ahead and fix that line real quick. So, let's get out. Well, after a lot of cursing and fighting, I finally got the stupid thing off. So now we will get some more fuel line, throw on there, put the tank back up, and drive home. Okay, we got the last clamp back on. Just got the GoPro battery changed. Let's crank her up and see what happens. It might idle a little rough for a minute. Got a couple holes in the muffler, but no leaks in the fuel line. So that's good. Don't see any leaks up here. So that's good. So we're gonna clean up our mess. We'll clean everything up. Let it warm up for a minute, and then we're headed home. So, running a little rich. Wonder if I frog it a couple times, see what'll happen. There we go. That's much better. Okay, so we're gonna clean this stuff up real quick. We're gonna head to the house. I'm tired. I gotta put the valve cover or intake manifold, air cleaner back on real quick too. So we'll take it home and we'll catch back with you guys then.